Whoa. Oh, I guess we better get the boat. Yay! Now, I got it! See the before. I'd like to get it down so that the tree line is in the photo, but I got it.
I have to keep it right side up though, get that.
Yeah, I told him try to land down there a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit hard some days to get close to those trees over.
Yeah.
Come off those.
Well, actually, when I was up, it wasn't bouncing around. Right now, it's a little bit more rough. Yeah. Yep. There was, when he took off.
You ready, guys?
Yeah. She's slowing right down nice, huh?
Yeah, it's falling off right there.
Yeah. Perfect, Wayne.
Pretty, but it's right side up. On the rope. Let's see. Right turn, left rudder, right rudder. Leave the left off. Oh, you got some serious flaps in that baby at full knock. Yeah, it's kind of wobbly out there on the end.
I can't take the wobble fast. I just want to keep it
I used
ice.
to this is the wind. It's not bad at all.
If you find a high heel.
You would?
Oh yeah, much easier. Here we go.
Okay. Oh, look at that. That's good. Perfect. I think I got the top of your head. Perfect, Joe.
Here you go, brother. Sweet. Well, I was concerned.